So if you've ever thought to yourself, how do you make that iconic Disney Dole Whip at home? We're gonna show you how. We just finished making it and it is absolutely delicious. So stay tuned, we're gonna show you how.
How you look like.
All right, first of all, we gotta say hi to the people up there.
This you?
That is me. Jump up here, we gotta say hi to the people. Ready? All right. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave Taste Buds, and welcome back. I got a super special episode for you today. It's another part of my Dave's Disney food series, and today we're gonna be making Dole Whip, and I also have my granddaughter Rosie here. Aww. So it's just a fun episode for the kids. It's cold, it's rainy. We feel like making some Dole Whip today, so we're gonna make some Dole Whip today. So let's get right into the ingredients.
I need to borrow this real quick.
We're gonna wanna grab 4 ounces of pineapple juice, a big scoop of vanilla ice cream, probably close to a cup. We need 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar, a splash of lemon juice, and just a pinch of salt. We got our pineapple juice, we got a little bit of the lemon juice, we got some salt,
I love salt.
and we got some sugar. You love salt? So what's the...
I love sugar.
What do you think the first thing we should put in there? You'll start with the pineapple juice?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You got it?
Yeah, you gotta do it.
Yeah, it's kind of, you want to just get it started and you can finish
Yeah.
it. You get it open. All of the ingredients and the amounts will be in the description below. There we go. Oh, all right, we'll go with the whole thing. A couple extra ounces maybe. All right, you got it. Now, we need to add all of our stuff first.
It's like salty.
We need a big scoop of ice cream.
Can I have it?
You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. It will be so good.
Well, don't. Think you can get the ice cream in there?
Help the ice.
Drop that, it's gotta go in there.
Oh! That was a big one.
Yeah, let's do a little bit more.
Yeah.
3/4 of a cup. We can get that in there.
It's
gonna fall Get in there. It's a great activity for a cold, rainy Saturday. Or in the summertime. Smart, good thinking. Cool, I think we're done with that for now. Very nice. We'll put our pineapple chunks in here. Wait, not yet.
Okay.
Almost.
Just kidding.
Just kidding?
Yeah.
Actually, this is cut.
They can like...
How many do we need? Oh my goodness. 2 cups of pineapple chunks.
I would need some.
No, not okay, so now that we got our pineapple chunks in here, we're gonna add our sugar. So you can put that right in there. Nice.
You see that?
We just need, I know. Now for that, we need okay, let me ask you something. We need a pinch of salt. How much do you think a pinch is? No. Okay, so a pinch is like you take it and you put it in a pinch.
Okay.
Already put it. Very good, see, that's all we need. Oh, is this all the sugar? Go with the rest of the sugar in there. All of it, just dump the whole thing right in there. Nice. We need a little bit, oops, let's get this off the counter so we don't make a huge mess. We need a tiny little squirt of that. There you go, perfect. That's good, don't squeeze them. Okay, good. Delicious.
It's delicious.
Amounts, description below. I feel like we're forgetting something.
Smell
I think
it.
we got everything right. Ooh, pineapple goodness. We got ice cream, pineapple juice, pineapples, salt, sugar. I think that's it. Should we blend it up?
Yeah.
Think we should put it in here?
Yeah.
Ready? Whoa.
Let's use the cup.
Put the cover on. Now this is a very high-powered piece of equipment here. First we're gonna turn it on. Wait, before we start flicking switches and stuff. Here.
So excited.
All right, hit this one down. Go for a second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to grind all this up and just whip it together. Oh, we're already having, I'll tell you what, let me grab let's grab the
Yeah.
little plunger thing here.
And
This goes right in here. You see how our pineapple chunks are still hanging on the top? We're gonna make sure those get down into the... There we go. Fire it back up. Flick it. And all you need to do is we're just gonna kind of blend this together.
I'm so excited.
Should be.
I'm so excited, Daddy. I'm so excited, Daddy. Oh, it's getting good. Look.
It is looking good.
You think we're gonna make a drink?
I think we're there. I think that's all it takes. So you just blend this up. 3 minutes.
I'll do it.
Do it? Yeah.
Where do we get all of them?
Turn on the time a bit.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Oh, let's check it out. Check it out. Ooh.
You see it? Oh, let me take this off.
Let's check it out.
Ooh. Okay. Great.
I think I love it.
I think I love it too. So now,
Try, Daddy.
he's gonna try it later. All right, great. We got plenty to do. Don't you worry about that. Put that in the sink. Very nice. It has like it's kind of sweet, right?
Yeah.
From all the sugar
Yeah.
and the pineapple, but you can still taste the
I
creaminess
love
of the
it.
ice cream. Well, let's not fall off the chair. All right, so now it's pretty much done, but we want to make it look like they have it at Walt Disney World, right? How much do you love Disney World?
I think I love Elsa.
Thank you.
Oh, she's a big Elsa fan. Loves Disney World, as do I. Oh, we didn't get all the pineapples in there. I think that's the perfect amount. I think we nailed it. So now, we need to put this into a pastry bag because we do need to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes just so it gets a nice consistency. You can't eat it like this. Actually, you know what? Let's grab a spoon. Let's officially taste it, see if it's any good. Yeah, that doesn't... What are you doing? Yeah.
This.
Yeah, so you need a star tip. No, it has to go in this way. And then it falls down the bottom.
Whoa, that's cool.
It comes out down there. Cool, right? Yeah, taste it. Make sure it's good before we... Alright, get all your hair in there. This is a family episode, so, you know, we're not worried if a little bit of hair gets in there, a little bit of double dipping, you know? Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
A little bit? So now that we know that it's delicious, we're gonna pipe it into here. And we're gonna put this in the freezer for, we're gonna call it half an hour. Because we just want it to get, come on now.
Go on, I'll
What's it
help
doing?
you.
Maybe we don't need to, maybe we can just skip this part and go right to the,
Just do
get
it.
it in here. Get in there. There we go. Let's see if we
That's here.
can- No, I don't have to wet that barking out. It is literally stuck in here. Why won't this come out of here? There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You know what? I'm pretty happy with this consistency.
And then we have...
Should we just pipe it right into our dishes and try it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's coming out the bottom. Ooh, ooh. You know what? We're gonna put this in the freezer.
We
We're
can't...
gonna put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Let it stiffen up a little bit so we can pipe it out nice. Not yet. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Tell them we'll be right back. We'll be right back. Careful.
Goodbye.
It's quick. So it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna take our Dole Whip out of the freezer. We're gonna put it into our nice, oh, you wanted this one? You want this one? You take this one, I'll take this one. All right, let me get the Dole Whip out of there.
Where are you?
Nice. So I think we got a nice consistency. Very nice. Now, they have Dole Whip obviously all over the parks at Disney World. So I know you can get it, where can you get Dole Whip? You can get it at Magic Kingdom, obviously. I think it's right outside of Adventureland. So it doesn't even want to smell yet.
It smells good. I'll squeeze.
Anyway, if you know where to put, yep, let's get it right. So the trick is we're gonna twist the top, we're gonna pipe it right from the top.
And he.
See that? Nice, right? Look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's
Look inside.
whoa, that does look cool. Look at that. Take a quick look at that. Well, that's for the gray stuff. You want to add some of that to your Dole Whip?
Yeah.
Dole Whip. It's a nice, easy treat for the kids, and it's fun. And it does come in a bunch of different varieties around the parks. I mean, if you're a Disney person at all, you know all this. In fact, comment below. Let me know where you like to have your Dole Whip. They got this really cool new window with the Polynesian, which is nice. This is actually for a Gray Stuff episode that I don't know if it came out before or is coming out after, but she wanted to play with the sprinkly stuff. So you know what? What am I gonna say? No? We're having a good time here.
That's hot. I need this.
You wanna try that one too? Let me put this back in the freezer.
Oh.
All right, let's taste it. Should we taste it?
No, not yet.
Not yet, hold on.
I'm gonna use this sprinkle.
You're gonna use those
I'm
sprinkles?
gonna use this. They're not done yet.
I'm not done yet. Can we just taste it real quick and then we can do sprinkles?
No.
No, we mustn't. So let me see. They're not coming out of there? Oh yeah, the holes aren't even big enough to get the... Well, how do they expect you to get it out of there? Oh, you can also kind of just... They're gonna come out fast now. I'm gonna keep mine just like this. You can also do this with frozen mangoes, which is also fantastic. All right, Rosie, grab your spoon, let's taste it. We can always add more sprinkles. I need sprinkles too. Good, wow.
Let's try it.
Dole Whip, here we go.
Let's try it.
Should we ching? Yay! It's delicious.
It's so good.
It is so good. So, thanks for watching. Let us know if there's anything else you want us to make. Put in a comment below. We'll make sure we get it done for you.
Below.
I got another great video up here. It's probably Disney related.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for nice work. So like, subscribe, comment, give us a shout out, and once you're done doing all that, Rosie say, go cook something.
Go cook something. It's very bad.
Thanks everybody. Nice, nice.